Hello from the beautiful Rethymnon. Today we have the 5th of December, and as you can see, the beach is much cleaner now and the day is perfect. A little bit cloudy, but it's good for a walk. So let's go to the seaside. Let's check out the water. So on the left side we can see the Forteza and the new harbor, and some people are playing this ball game. Have in mind that after the storm all the beach here was full of trash and wood. They did a really good work, so bravo to all the people who help and clean here. And the weather is really good. It's not cold. It's a little bit windy and cloudy. So let's check out the temperature of the water. Whoop. No, it's really perfect. I think if I had something, I would jump in. I would jump it inside. It's not cold. It's perfect. Look how smooth the waves are getting out, and the beach is clean, really. And all the people who are walking outside, they can do it. They can go out for a little bit of sport and walking during the lockdown. So let's walk a little bit to the front side and enjoy the sound of the beach. So now the sun is coming out a little bit of the clouds. The sun is fighting against the clouds. I don't know if you can hear me well because I wear those masks that you have to wear outside.